So I think the last pair we're going to do, let's have a look at gold. Okay, let's see what happened with gold in this previous week. That's Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Okay, so this is gold USD. Let's see what happened. So gold had hit a high of 26.65. that was where we were at. Let's see what happened on Monday. So we opened up at 26.40, right? 26.40. Monday, quite choppy, up down, but he closed lower. 26.40, closed lower. 26.30. Range of about 340. Let's see, Tuesday back up to the high. This was a move back up to the high, but not breaking the high. That means that you'll be looking for a sell. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Sorry, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You're looking for a sell. Look at that, it just smashed through. So that makes that resistance irrelevant now. Although you could have got a sell. I'll show you this on the entries. New York session, you could have got a sell because that's just the up, in and out. See how quickly it moved away from there. Okay, that was Thursday, and then Friday he continued upward. Thursday, sorry, and then Friday. So gold continued to gain despite dollar strength in the market, but you could have had a short sell here. That's what I was saying. I'll show you now on Wednesday. But basically gold continued its strength. Look at that, this weekly trend with those 2 weeks down there, these weeks over here. Okay, so after that bit of consolidation, gold has continued to move up. So let's have a look at the trades you could have taken. Let's go for it. If you sign up, remember, for free with one of my recommended brokers, you'll be able to watch this video depending when you sign up. It's a limited time offer. Okay, so here we go, guys. You can see all the EMAs were coming close together here, and despite dollar strength, gold has continued to show its strength. When you saw this on Monday, right, that should have shown you that